The BJP member of North Shillong Constituency, Kharsyntiew, had expressed through the media his views on being denied the party ticket despite his loyalty and hard work towards promotion of the party since 2018.
But today, when they have denied the ticket based on that, as a human being, it hurt me. As a loyal party worker, I felt betrayed. So I want that the truth should come out. If they can do this to a person who worked very hard, day and day night, whenever they have any meetings here in BJP, I am one of the person who always attend, bring hundreds of my supporters, bring hundreds invested in the party work, and this is what they have done to me. So I want the people to understand. I am always loyal to the party. I will be loyal to the party. I respect the party, the ideologies of the party. But it seems that certain members in here do not want the party to grow further.